Alright then, we will wrap up this comprehensive course on advanced Excel functions, and we believe that you now know quite a few things about advanced Excel functions. Just to have a quick overview of everything you've learned in this course, we covered the basics of advanced Excel functions such as the text-based functions, math functions, dates functions, and conditional function. Now, since you've made it to the end of this course, we would encourage you to build upon this knowledge, and if that's something that interests you, then quickly hop on to our website www.wallstreetmojo.com for the most comprehensive financial educational content and resources. We'll part ways here then. Thank you for taking this course on Advanced Excel Functions by WallStreetMojo. We hope you liked it. All the best and bye.